So it's been quite a climax to the end of the Jamaica Premier League regular season, with perhaps less drama at the top of the table and more in the relegation battle. The JPL overall, though, cannot keep depending on the end of the regular season to build interest in the league. Something needs to be done to keep consistent interest in the football. Remember when we had mid-season finals? I don't know if it worked, but we can't be having a football league lasting for 8 or 9 months, and we have to wait for the last 2 weeks for some intrigue and excitement. We don't know what the answer is, but in that build-up to the playoffs and the semi-final and the grand finale, maybe it's just the football itself, but round by round, game by game, something needs to be added to the mix. Anyway, that's our next season business. Right now, a playoffs, the thing there. Who gets relegated? Who gets relegated? How about the chief?